back, beautiful people, to my channel. Today we're going to get my car running, so we're gonna switch. I mean, it's running right now, but as you see in my last video, it does that thingy where we're gonna fix that, hopefully with the new alternator that helps it. Hopefully that was the issue, and hopefully I don't have to sell my car or like junk it like a lot of people want me to. Let's hope the alternator was the problem. And also, we're gonna make it into a challenge. We're gonna try to do the alternator under 30 minutes. Is that enough, or should we say 10 minutes?
Oh, 30 is a good number.
So we're gonna try to do it under 30 minutes so that I can go get dressed into my birthday outfit, and also take this car for pictures, for birthday pictures, and do that today as well. I look crazy right now, but the transformation will be good. Will be good. Also, come. We're gonna have to rock with this for now. We're gonna, just for the pictures. It'll be worth it, you know? I said I wasn't gonna drive it with it like that, but it's my birthday. Kind of want to drive it. We'll get that done next. Well, that's next in my journal, like right here. Next. Ignore that in the rollers. If you hear noises, just ignore that. We're getting it fixed. Calm down. I got some goodies this morning. Oh, last night. I got a lot of goodies. So we got this. Tells you the tire pressure, so isn't that cool? Like, I usually just do this. I'm like, yeah, that's good, that's bad, and my method sometimes don't work, but this is really clutch. So let's see how it works. Oh wait,
thing
look,
is huge.
this one's right out here.
Yeah,
that's at 40 psi. You see over here the valve is inside the wheel, so we're gonna have to use this one. Oh wait,
yeah, see, this is the problem.
wait, I got it. There's a will, there's a way, guys. Never give up. Never give up.
This is the bad one too.
Yeah, this one's leaking. I think we just gotta reseal all of them. Where's the stem? Where is it at? It's stuck in there.
It's stuck?
Oh my god. Need to reroute the valve stem. So I can just do this. Now I don't have to turn on my car to connect the other air thing. We got this. This is like an impact gun. You just need the battery, and then we got air. So let the challenge begin. We're gonna pause the timer when we have to go to AutoZone and turn in the alternator, get a new alternator. I think I could do it under 30 minutes. What about you? What do you think?
It's definitely gonna take you like 3 hours.
Comment down below how long you think I'm gonna take to do this alternator. Can I use my hand while I get electrocuted?
You'll be fine. Should be able to grab it, no? Your little hands. Get in there.
I'm stuck. Oh my god.
Oh my god, it's under the car.
No, it's right there. 30 minutes starts now. Okay, we gotta go.
I can't get it on video. All you can see is my reflection.
If we don't have a long one, we're gonna try to, like, you know, finesse it with multiple wrenches.
There you go. I'm scared stuff.
Okay, tensioner is off. Now we just need to do the alternator. Alternator is, I think, a 12. There we go. That was easy. Now we do there's 2 bolts at the bottom. We're gonna do the bottom first. Ah, that's pretty tight. Let me use the breaker bar. Do we have a 12? Yeah, 12 breaker bar. Put some strength in there. I just love the breaker bar, honestly. Maybe the ratchet.
There you go.
Okay, we're good. Now that it's like that, we can hand loosen it.
I was trying to zoom in on the time here. 21:29.
Bolts.
Oh, strong woman.
I'm all prepared. You know, I studied. I took notes. So we're gonna get that one here. See how it's like secretive? Like it doesn't want you to know. Oof.
That's the snap-on right there.
Yeah, I love the snap-on.
Quality toolery.
Yeah, we need snap-ons for like 1/2 inch and all that. All the above.
Will be $1,000 in debt, maybe more. No,
Guys,
way more.
If you guys give this video a like, maybe I'll be able to afford it. Can't lose that. Woo! Look at that. Alternator under 10 minutes. Okay, hold on. Let me take this over here.
Steph.
Yes.
You're I was too late to my. Hold on. I was too late to my introduction.
Look at that.
Wait. Sorry, I was.
Alternator's off. Okay, go ahead. Wait, let's pause the time because
wait.
alternator's off.
If anyone's paying attention, there's a truck behind us. and the truck is Stephanie's gift, but Stephanie doesn't know what it is yet. So we're here. You want to take a look at what the truck says?
Oh my god.
It's in your whole car.
Do you think they know which car it is?
They don't know which car. They don't.
Like, oh, we can't do this car. That's why you were like, let it air out. I'm like,
So happy birthday.
thank you. That's like the best gift ever. Cut the
Alright.
camera.
It's
That's gonna be fire.
yeah.
New tints. I'm sweating everywhere. Now we actually gotta do this really, really fast because they need to do the front windows, the passenger doors, and the driver door, and those are down. So we can't turn on the car because the alternator's off. So we have to do that fast so they can be able to do that. In the meantime, they're gonna do the front windshield, which I've never got tinted. So I'm excited for that. I'm excited for the look. I wonder how it's gonna look. And for the photo shoot, it's probably gonna look so fire. 19 minutes left. We get the new alternator. Got 19 minutes.
Bag secured.
I gotta tell you what happened. Okay. Whew. He said he wasn't supposed to, like, what's it called, exchange it or whatever, or give the warranty because my warranty
Expired.
It expired.
I figured.
It was 2020. So he's like, all we got right now is the gold one, which is even better than the one I have, the alternator I have. And either you could get this gold one, or I could send you to another AutoZone and you could get it from there. And I was like, oh, just give me the gold one. And he was okay. You get, with the gold one, you also get $40 back. He gave me $40.
Thank you, Jesus!
How dark it looks in there.
Oh my lord.
Oh my god.
That shit looks too dark, Steph.
Come on, we gotta be fast. We gotta
Yeah,
be fast. We're back on the clock. We gotta hurry up because they're almost done with the windshield and they need the sides 3 times stronger. Start with the bottom 2 bolts.
On already, boss? Dang.
Close the front door and that's it.
And we just gotta do that. That's dark. Yeah, it says 17 minutes left.
Yeah, that's it.
That's it? Damn, you did that quick.
I wish I did it under 10 minutes though. Damn, it's like I have no open space. That's what takes most of the time.
That's dark. Holy crap. Jeez. That's dark. Oh my. Sheesh.
Okay, I stopped the timer for this. Oh yeah, that's how it's done.
Yeah. Cut.
So everybody have the car like that. They need to do the
Open
same
it,
thing.
yeah.
Yeah. Not everyone. Not everyone. She's just really low. Cutting.
Okay, let me make sure it's on.
If you let go of this thing and my hand is over. Yeah, there you go. Pledge it down more.
There we go.
Oh, there you go.
Good?
Yes. Yeah, there you go. Yeah.
5 minutes left on it.
Sick.
Your name is just let me know, okay?
Okay.
See ya.
How much? Thank you.
Sheesh. Oh my god. I never had my front window tinted. We just finished the alternator. 5 minutes left on the timer. So that means we'd finished it under 30 minutes. We finished the alternator in 25 minutes.
That's crazy. It's definitely gonna take you like 3 hours.
Oh, you know, don't mind me. I'm just admiring my car from afar. It's time to get ready to change out of these dirty clothes and yeah, I gotta shower and do my hair and everything. So let's go get ready. I'm gonna have to really suck it in. Let's do my face and my hair now. This is a good fit. It's a good fit. Comment down below how old you think I'm turning. Who is it? Wait. What do you need?
I need to talk to you.
Oh, wait, I'm dressed. I don't wanna.
okay. Just come on, please.
Okay, what happened?
What? They're ready to sing happy birthday.
Okay, alright, I'll just go. I'll just not finish. What?
That thing
I
is
wanted to-
growing. Oh shit.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
Put your titties away.
What do you mean? What do you mean? Dear Stephanie, happy birthday to you. I'm sensitive, so I was crying, so let's get back into it. Almost done. Sad news, people. Sad news. I was supposed to take my car to a nicer spot and take pictures there and, you know, enjoy the ride, whatever, but I had to pull over and turn around because the car was dying again. It was dying again. So I don't know what it could be. We already switched the alternator. It's a whole new battery, so what in the world could it be? We're thinking we had bad ground wires, but we're gonna have to do that in another video, another day. Journey on getting my car running again. This is pain, not being able to drive your car. Yeah, that's pain. It looks so fire now with the new tints, especially with the windshield tint. Like, it needed that. It needed that. It looks so much better. It looks so much cleaner. New headlights, new tints. That it looks fire. The car looks fire. All we need is the exhaust. But we can't even get the exhaust until we get the car running. So that's the mission right now. Mission on to getting the car running, and it's really upsetting because I don't know what it is. We don't know what it could be.
I'm staying low, staying low, staying low, staying low.
We're tinted, baby. We're tinted. That was bad.
Yeah. Ran on my money. I came in the game, then the thing get jumped. I'm the same young nigga that came.
Sheesh, let's take a better look at the tints. Oh my gosh. So I'm about to show you guys what it does from the inside. That's it. Oh my. It's not starting. The battery is new, the alternator is new. Maybe since it's been sitting with the new battery and not the new alternator, maybe the battery is like, it needs to be charged. I'm gonna try everything. We just need this car to start, and that's the goal right now. Getting this car to start. I'm gonna try recharging the battery. I'm gonna try changing the ground wire. I don't know, we have to figure something out. So if you guys have any suggestions, please leave it in the comment down below. I'll be reading every single one of them. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you guessed it right, I am now 23 years old. So wow, that's crazy. The advice I want to give to all of you, honestly, is to live your life. Time doesn't stop. Years go by and by and by. If you're dwelling on something, you're basically not going to live your life. So stop dwelling, stop crying, and enjoy life, because life is so short. Life goes by like this, and you don't want to miss out on the happy things in life. So focus on the good things, focus on the positive side of life. We do all have some bad days, but always bounce back from those bad days. I honestly gotta say, being 22 was probably the best age I've ever been, because I learned to love myself. I learned to be happy with who I was. I learned how to look at the positive side of things. And you know, now that I'm 23 and now that I've learned all those things, we're gonna be at a higher level. So I can't wait to see what God has in store for me for this year. I hope the same for you guys. If you guys liked this video, please give it a like. Comment down below anything. Comment down below if you know how to fix this car. And see you guys in the next video. Peace. Ooh, okay.
Perfect. We're gonna make this shit fire.
You guys are gonna make my video go viral.